Hello friends, today we want to discuss on the nuclear reactions, types of nuclear reaction with their examples. I am Sanjay Gaikwad, working as a head, Department of Physics, Mahatma Phule College, Panvel. झालं का नाही? This is the syllabus of radiation detector nuclear reactions. In that we want to discuss today second chapter nuclear reaction, types of nuclear reaction, conservation laws, concept of Q and value of Q equation and its solution. Introduction. In 1990, Rutherford performed the experiment in which when we are bombarding there is a small mistake there. Instead of helium, in helium we are writing as a 5-4, but it is not 5-4, it is a 2-4. Okay. When helium nucleus is bombarded on nucleus of nitrogen, it comes to be fluorine and it turns to the oxygen with addition of one proton. This reaction in laboratory performed by the scientist Rutherford, and this is the artificial disintegration of nitrogen. This was the first artificial disintegration of nitrogen atom. After that, Cockford and Walton in 1932 accelerated proton with high speed and bombarded on the lithium, and it turns to the two particles of helium, and their energy from 0.1 to 0.1 to 0.7 million electron volt. Types of nuclear reaction. There are various types of nuclear reaction defined by the J.M. Blatt and V.F. Westcott. First is a scattering reaction. It has two types, that is elastic scattering and inelastic scattering. In elastic scattering, there is no exchange of energy takes place between the projectile and target. Here, silver AU is the target, and when alpha particle is bombarded on the goal, then due to the positive ions, it gets the repulsion due to the helium particle and the positive nucleus of the gold. Therefore, there is no interaction between there is no exchange of energy takes place between the helium and gold uh, foil. This is a well-known reaction of the Rutherford to determine the radius of the nucleus, and this is the first reaction, elastic scattering. Second is the inelastic scattering. There is exchange of energy takes place when we are bombarding the proton on the lithium. There is the lithium absorb that energy and become unstable, and after that it becomes stable. Means there is just due to the addition of the energy of lithium, it get excited state. Okay, here the target get the excited. In direct reaction, what happened? There are two types of reaction in which one is stripping reaction, another is pickup reaction. When deuterium is bombarded on the copper nucleus, then uh, there is a target nucleus take one nucleus from the projectile. Means projectile loses one of the nucleus and it comes to the proton. When deuteron is bombarded on the copper, then there is a stripping of reaction takes place and it takes the one nucleus from the projectile, and therefore the reaction takes place as follows, and one proton is emitted. Otherwise, in pickup reaction, when deuterium is bombarded on the oxygen nucleus, at that time target nucleus loses the nucleus. Means projectile pull one of the nucleus from the target nucleus. This type of reaction is called as pickup reaction. Radiative capture or compound nuclear reaction. In that reaction, what happens when uh, just like a chemical reaction, it is adduct or unstable nucleus form, that is a compound nucleus form. When proton is bombarded on copper, it comes to the unstable compound zinc and it split into the zinc and one nucleus. This radiative capture reaction also called as a compound nuclear reaction. In that, different types of nuclear reactions takes place or chain of different nucleons takes place. Another example of magnesium, when proton is bombarded on magnesium, it comes to the unstable compound aluminum and it turns to the aluminum with addition emission of the gamma rays. Spallation reaction. In that reaction, it induces the nuclear reaction, induce the neutron, additional neutron. When neutron is bombarded on uranium 238, then it introduces additional nucleus. Means when target nucleus capture the projectile, now heavy nucleus have sufficient energy to eject other several particles, and therefore it is called as the spallation reaction. In that reaction, neutron is bombarded on uranium 238. It turns to zirconium and tellurium, and addition one neutron is emitted. Therefore, reaction is two neutron is there. Spontaneous reaction. We know very well known that when nucleus is unstable, reactive elements emit the alpha, beta, gamma, and this type of reaction are known as the spontaneous type reaction. Means natural reaction in which thorium, radium, uranium, they are unstable nucleus emit the alpha, beta, gamma. Okay. Additional high energy nuclear reaction. In that, when helium is split into the another part, that is the high energy nuclear reaction. This reaction takes place at high energy. Okay, photodisintegration. When gamma is bombarded on deuterium, it gives uh, one proton and one neutron. This type of reaction is called as the photodisintegration. Conservation laws. There are three types of conservation laws are there. One is the conservation of energy, another is conservation of linear and angular momentum. Third is the charge and nucleus. Generally, conservation laws are related to the conservation of energy, mass, and momentum, speed. And out of that, in nuclear reaction, there is a conservation of energy, kinetic energy, or total mass energy in the reaction. Kinetic energy remains constant, mass energy remains constant. In conservation of linear and angular momentum, spin and angular momentum is constant, and in nuclear reaction the charge on the product are always remains constant. Thank you. I am very thankful to the principal giving me the opportunity to develop these ICT tools for the student. Thank you.